Yes, you're welcome back. You are very much welcome back. We are going to look at array in this tutorial. Array. Array is a special variable. It's a variable that can contain many values inside it. As you know that a variable contains one value. Okay? In a situation whereby a variable contains many values inside it, then that variable is called an array. Okay, good. Array is so important because sometimes you can have a variable that contains many lists of values. Let's say something that has up to 300 values in it. Then you need to manipulate that with an array. As in, you use the loop function to loop through the variable. This is not to say that you can't create variable with different name and different value. But when you have list of value, that are many, for you to create, let's say you have up to 500 values. For you to begin to create a variable for each of them, variable for the first value, variable for the second value, variable for the third value, until you get 500, it is tasking, isn't it? It is very tasking. That is why array is very important. You can just create a single variable, then you put the list inside the variable. Do you get that? But for you to create an array, the list of values that you are going to store in an array is supposed to be a list of values that are related. For example, let's say you have a list of cars. You get me? Just car becomes the variable. Then inside the variable cars, you now have different types of cars. You have Volvo, you have BMW, you have Toyota, you have many other cars. Okay, there are cars of different types, but they are just car. Car is their family name. Okay, that is the array variable. Okay, now you have list of cars inside a car array. Do you get that? So having gotten that, there are a lot we are going to do in this array. A lot we are going to do, but before we commence, let's look at three main types of arrays. Now we have an indexed array. Let me write it for you quickly. We have indexed arrays. Okay, this index array has numeric index. We do it practically later. It has numeric index. That is, it is actually numbered starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up. Okay, 0 index. That is to say, the first variable has 0 index. That is 0 number. It is numbered at 0. Okay, the second variable 1 in the index. Third variable 2, 3, 4, 5 continues. Okay, then we also have associative array. Arrays. Okay. Okay, this one has named keys. Instead of having an index number as in being identified by an index, it has a name. Okay, the name that is associated to that array. Okay, then the last but not the least here you're going to look at as well is multi-dimensional arrays. Okay. This is a situation whereby an array contains one or more arrays in it. Okay, when arrays contain one or more arrays in it, then we call it multi-dimensional array. So these are the three types of arrays we're going to look at in this tutorial. Thank you so much. Subsequently, we begin to look at them. Thank you.